In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook page name. If you manage a Facebook page and need to update its name, the process is pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of important things to know before you begin. Most importantly, you'll need admin access to the page, and Facebook also limits how often you can make this change. In general, you must wait 60 days between page name changes, so it's a good idea to make sure the new name is exactly what you want before submitting it. To get started, open Facebook and make sure you switch into your page's profile rather than staying on your personal profile. This is important because page settings are different from personal account settings and you won't see the correct options unless you're acting as the page. Once you're in the right profile, go to Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. This is where Facebook keeps most of the controls for managing your page. After that, look for Page Setup and click on it. Inside the page setup area, you'll find the option for name. Select name and then type in your new page name. As you enter it, take a moment to double check the spelling, spacing, and overall formatting. Since Facebook may review the change, it's best to choose a name that clearly matches your brand, business, organization, or public identity. Keeping it accurate and professional can help avoid delays or issues during the review process. After you've entered the new page name, click Review Change. This gives you a final chance to confirm the update before it's submitted. Read through everything carefully so you know exactly what's being changed. Once you confirm, Facebook may take some time to process or review the request. In some cases, the change might happen quickly, while in others it may take longer. If the option doesn't appear, or if you're unable to complete the update, the most common reasons are that you're not using an admin account or the page name was changed too recently. And that's all it takes to change your Facebook page name. Just remember to switch into the page profile first, head to Settings and Privacy, open Settings, go to Page Setup, select Name, enter the new name, and choose Review Change. If this helped, you can follow the same path anytime you need to update your page information again.